Today, I'm going to teach you how to send invoices to your clients on system.io. This is a quick and efficient way to manage your billing and keep your clients informed about their purchases directly through the platform. First, open your web browser and navigate to system.io. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. After you've signed in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard where you can access all the tools and features system.io offers. Now look towards the upper right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the navigation menu, click on Sales, and from the drop-down options that appear, select Transactions. This will take you to a dedicated page where you can view and manage all the transactions that have taken place within your account. Once you're on the Transactions page, shift your attention to the left panel. This is where you'll find various filtering options that help you narrow down and locate specific transactions quickly. In the Customer Email Filter field, type in the email address of the client whose invoice you want to send. This step is important because it ensures you're targeting the correct transaction for the right client. After entering the email address, click the filter button to apply your search. The system will now display only the transactions associated with that particular client, making it much easier to find what you're looking for. However, if you're just setting up your account or haven't processed any transactions yet, like in my case, the list will be empty. But don't worry, I'll still walk you through what happens next so you'll know exactly what to do when you do have transactions. Once transactions appear in your filtered results, take a moment to review the list carefully. Look through the rows to identify the specific transaction for which you want to send an invoice. When you've found the relevant transaction, hover over or locate that particular row. On the right side of the transaction row, you'll notice a 3 dots menu icon. This menu contains several actions you can take for that transaction. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots, and a drop-down menu will appear with different options. From this drop-down menu, select Send Invoice to Customer. This action triggers the system to automatically generate and email the invoice directly to your client using the email address associated with that transaction. If the system prompts you to confirm the action, simply click Yes or Confirm to proceed. The invoice will then be sent immediately, ensuring your client receives all the necessary billing information without any additional steps on your part. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to send invoices to your clients on system.io, streamlining your billing process and maintaining clear communication with your customers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.